Windows updates slowing you down, Mac prices burning your wallet. In 2025, I am finally switching to Pop OS, and honestly, I don't think I'll regret it one bit. Pop OS has been making huge waves in the Linux world, and here's why I am moving over. First, it's insanely smooth and fast. Unlike Windows, there is no plot slowing things down. It just works right out of the box. Second, productivity. The built-in tiling window manager is a game changer. No extra setup, no third-party tools, just drag, snap, and boom, your workflow is instantly more efficient. Third, hardware compatibility. Pop OS is made by System76, so whether you are gaming, coding, or editing videos, it's optimized for performance. NVIDIA and AMD drivers already built in. And here's a big one, security. Pop OS comes with a full disk encryption by default, so your data is locked down from unauthorized access. You decide when to install system updates, meaning no random reboots in the middle of the work. Plus, privacy tools protect your personal info, and firmware management keeps your hardware secure with the latest patches. So yeah, 2025 is my Pop OS year. Faster, smoother, and more secure than anything I have used before. If you are tired of the same old operating system, maybe it's time you give Pop OS a try too. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this, and let's see if Linux is finally ready for prime time.